Okay, so now let's talk about the else if statement. The else if statement allows you to check multiple expressions for true and execute a block of code as soon as one of the conditions evaluates to true. It's essentially a way to chain multiple if statements without needing to indent each time. Okay, so let's modify our code again. I will put another conditions. So here I will put else if statement, if x is lower than 0, and in the end I will put else condition. X is 0. Okay, I will try to run our code. Yes, and we can see that since the x is -10, x is not positive number. Let's put 0 value to the x variable and run our code again. And we can see that the last condition was executed, x is 0.